Hey friends, if you encounter a PnP detected fatal blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what we have to do. First of all, search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a different restore point next. Choose a good restore point next. Finish and then click on yes. And the next one is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And lastly, update window. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.